Beyond is a pioneering data science company harnessing cutting-edge AI research to deliver actionable intelligence for the cryptocurrency market. With a proven track record of success, Beyond is your trusted partner in navigating the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency trading. Beyond's comprehensive product suite include Nathan Batchelor's daily and weekly newsletters, expert analysis on Bitcoin, altcoins, and emerging crypto trends, weekly webinars, engaging sessions offering actionable strategies and insights from top industry leaders, cryptocurrency signals and market intelligence platform offering advanced tools designed to give you a competitive edge, proprietary quantitative products featuring Beyond Atlas, Vanguard, and Firefly Alpha, cutting-edge indicators consistently proven to outperform market benchmarks. Nomata, an AI-powered crypto analyst and on-demand AI-driven tool for market analysis and actionable trading opportunities. Hands-on trading program, a transformative journey into the cryptocurrency market with a progressive investing program. At Beyond, we don't just analyze the market, we redefine what's possible. Our research prioritizes minimizing drawdown while capitalizing on the high growth potential of crypto assets. By integrating technical, fundamental, and on-chain behavior insights, we accurately project price paths and uncover opportunities others may miss. This unique combination of discretionary expertise and quantitative innovation ensures you gain unmatched market intelligence. The results speak for themselves. Beyond's proprietary tools have consistently identified highly profitable trades, empowering clients to achieve superior returns in the fast-paced crypto market. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to trading, Beyond equips you with the tools and knowledge to trade with confidence and precision. Why settle for average? Take your trading to new heights with Beyond. Sign up for our basic or pro trading plans today and let us help you unlock the full potential of your crypto journey. Beyond is a data science company applying cutting-edge research in AI to deliver actionable intelligence for the crypto market. Beyond combines a world-class quantitative team with its own wisdom and experience to provide a unique trading product. The Beyond product range includes Nathan Batchelor's daily newsletter focused on all things Bitcoin and crypto related, Nathan Batchelor's weekly newsletter, weekly webinars, cryptocurrency signals, a cutting-edge market intelligence platform, our quantitative product range including Beyond Atlas, Beyond Vanguard, and Firefly Alpha. Beyond helps to keep you updated on all things Bitcoin and altcoins related from a technical, fundamental, and on-chain behavior perspective, plus their potential price path. By combining our discretionary and quant experts, we aim to provide an unbeatable insight into the cryptocurrency market. Sign up to Beyond's basic or pro trading packages and start making better trading decisions now. And let Beyond help take your trading to a new level.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.